Hello everyone, this is Abby Lopez. I am the webmaster for the Springdale School District. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload your staff members into the staff page. So we're going to go ahead and go to the media section right here on the left side, and then you want to go to the staff tab. So when you click here, you'll see there's other members right here. You're going to go to your right and click on create new contact. Now when you're uploading someone's image, make sure that it's an appropriate size. That way it doesn't give you an error. If it's too big but you still want to use the image of the person, I recommend you using a website that compresses images. An example would be bulkimagecompressor.com or TinyPNG. That's what I just used, but either one works fine. So let's go ahead and add that right here. And you can adjust the sizing of your image. Once that's done, go ahead and click on check mark right here, and you'll just put in the name of your staff member. Let's do a random person. And you'll want to add the title right here. One example would be a teacher. And then primary department is also an option as well. The additional departments is also an option. And then you'll want to go ahead and create an email right here. And then the phone number as well. That's also an option right here. And then we'll click on create. Once that's at uploading, it should be already at your staff page. If you have any more questions, you can go ahead and email me. And thank you for watching.